Artificial intelligence AI has transformed the way people think, learn, and work in various areas, including banking, healthcare, and smartphone applications. What's more intriguing is that AI has a larger impact on our everyday lives than we realize. AI is all around us, from Siri and OK Google to numerous virtual player games and social media applications. It is, without a doubt, the most talked about subject in the corporate world right now. It is currently the most sought after and thrilling career domain in the market. Start your career journey with AI and open the door to endless opportunities. Izeon IT Training provide professional artificial intelligence AI course. Join Izeon IT Training now. Get ready to start your AI career with Izeon IT Training. Izeon IT Training Skill Up course on artificial intelligence AI will give you all the necessary skills. The best part is you can take up this course for both offline and online classes. That's right. You can begin your artificial intelligence learning AI learning journey with us and get a course completion certificate for the same. Izeon IT Training Artificial Intelligence course is developed by experienced professionals and trainers and can be taken by anyone who has passed to become an artificial intelligence AI. This course will help you learn top skills such as supervised and unsupervised algorithm, statistics, programming language, machine learning, deep learning, natural language program, computer vision, and more. Izeon IT Training Artificial Intelligence AI course benefits are flexible timing, hands-on training, practice mock interview with lifetime access. After completing the course, you will receive a course completion certificate by Izeon IT Training. This certificate can be highlighted in your resume to increase profile eligibility criteria to enroll in this course. However, an understanding of basic programming language would be highly beneficial. Head straight to our Skillet page and enroll our Artificial Intelligence AI course today. Apply now and get certified with Izeon.